Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts: the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive if it's installed, the speaker mesh, the stand arm cover, the stand arm, and the display assembly rear cover. Removal. Note, the display panel chin plate is held to the front of the display panel with very strong adhesive. It's recommended to use a heat gun to soften the adhesive before separating the display panel chin plate and the display panel cover. Use a flat-bladed tool to carefully separate the display panel chin plate from the display panel cover. Remove the display panel chin plate. Replacement. Note, the display panel chin plate has 2 metal tabs on each end that slots into the opening at each end of the display panel cover. Carefully insert the metal tab on the one end of the display panel chin plate into the display panel cover. Carefully press the display panel chin plate onto the display panel cover. Insert the metal tab at the other end of the display panel chin plate into the display panel cover.